Hey, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the car haul series. This is video number 10. I do appreciate you watching. I got a question the other day why I'm only showing 20, 21 cars at a time, and the answer is that is what happens to fit inside of my Ziploc bag that I already have like 100 of. So other than that, there's no specific reason. So let's get on with this. Now, I am not an expert on these cars at all, and I do not mind saying that. So if I say something wrong, I do not mind if you correct me. So let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm going to pull this one out first. It seems like everybody has a few of these, and I've had 3 or 4 of these in my car haul videos. Lightning McQueen. Now, this is not a 1/64 scale, but it's close enough for purposes. Rolls pretty good. This is going to be a candidate for repainting because it's all scratched up. Just bought a brand new airbrush. I'll show that in a future video. I'm going to put that aside right here. Let's go with this one right here. Check out this Camaro. I like this one. That's a good looking Camaro there. This is a Hot Wheels Camaro convertible concept. Has number 824 stamped in right here. Good looking Camaro. I might just have to keep this one in my private collection. Does roll pretty good. We'll put that one aside. This thing right here looks like a bug to me. I don't like it. I do like the wheels though. I might take the wheels off and use them for something else. Let's see how that goes. I'm not sure if something else goes up here or not. See this big old engine in the back. It is turned sideways. Other than that, it's got the flames on the side. This is 1999 Mattel number 820 Hot Wheels called Deora number 2. D-E-O-R-A 2. Not a fan of this one. What do we have right here? This is one of those cheap cars. Probably came from maybe Dollar Tree or so. It is a pretty decent looking little car though. It rolls pretty good. This is going to go in my giveaway collection. Let's see here. Excuse me there. I have a... well, some of y'all can name these off just by looking at them. I can't do that yet. Chrysler Fire Concept Hot Wheels. Pretty cool looking car. I really like the wheels on there. I like the front ones. Back ones need some help. Does roll pretty good. Kind of like the color. A little bit lighter shade of blue I wouldn't like, but this one's okay. Dune buggy or sand rail, whatever you call these things. Maisto. Now check out the tread pattern on these wheels. Looks like they're going in the wrong direction. Wheels are very sloppy. Does not roll hardly at all. Number 56. So what am I going to do with this? I don't know. This will probably be put in the think about bucket. What do we have here? This is pretty cool. I like this one. Ice cream van. With front windshields look really scratched up. Sides aren't too bad. Painting's not too bad. The back does not open. This is a Matchbox ice cream truck. It's got 3 rivets in the bottom. So this one has a lot of potential on it. I hate to melt that paint off of there because of the decals, but I might end up doing that anyway. We have a Hummer, Maisto Hummer. Does roll, not great. A lot of paint wear on here. Project car. Check out this green Mustang Mach 3 convertible. I don't know. Has a little bit of trouble rolling. Y'all help me decide what I should do with some of these things. Give them away in a giveaway, or rebuild them, or what are we going to do with them? Here we go. We have another Hot Wheels. Not sure exactly what it is, but pretty cool little car. It rolls pretty good. This is another one of those cheap plastic cars. Not really worth mentioning. And I believe there's another one in here like this. This is another, well, it's not as bad as the other one. Let's see here. Anyway, this is going to go away. Not worth talking about. Not a bad looking car here. It has a right hand drive on this one. Whoops. Hot Wheels 2003. Not a bad looking car at all. It's kind of cool. Rolls pretty decent. Cooper, Mini Cooper, red and white. I've got 3 or 4 of these things. Future on that was undecided. No, I do not like these cars at all. This is a Hot Wheels. I guess it's a dragon, bat, triceratops. I don't know what it is, but it's not my style. This one's going to go away. We got another Cars car. Number 86. Look at all the decals on the side of this. Kind of cool. It's loaded up. HTB, whatever that is. Oh, Hostile Takeover Bank. Here's the bottom of it. This one tends to pull to the right. Needs an alignment. Let's set that over there. What do we have here? We have a Maisto. Can't read that name. Something. Anyway, pretty nice looking little car here. Wheels aren't great, but I like the gold center cap on these. Kind of stands out. Rolls pretty decent. That might go in my collection. There's another cheapy car we're just going to not talk about. This one I'm not sure about. What is this? It is a Hot Wheels 16 Angels. I think that's what it says. 2003. Does have a metal bottom. Again, this is not my style of car. Pretty neat little truck here. Yellow plastic bed. Maisto. This might be a project truck for me. Might take this dump off the back and see what I can do with it. We have this purple car. Probably give this to my sister. Her favorite color is purple. Scorcher, Hot Wheels. I like the wheels on here. Those roll pretty good. So Karen, get your shelf ready. You might get this one. Another one of those cheapy cars. This is number 8030. Little bitty wheels on it. I don't know. I'm still undecided completely what I'm going to do with these cheapy cars, but I have them, so I got to do something with them. Anyway, got any suggestions how I can improve this? Don't be shy to throw in your comments. I do appreciate you watching.